Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hi there, meet me again in News CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to modification your Ubuntu terminal using Figlet and Cowsay. Why we need this method? Because uh, we often board with default terminal, so it's cool if we can modification while we log in or remote the Ubuntu. How to do that? Just first open our Ubuntu. Okay, after that, let's open the terminal. There is terminal. I will using super user because this is just common user. Uh, sign with this dollar sudo. I'm sorry, not sudo super user. Type your password. Okay. Now I have packages of Figlet in here, guys. So uh, you can download it manually, or let's try using apt min get update. Okay, I'm sorry, there is apt min get update, not updates. Okay, let see the process. Its process take one more time right there, I think. Okay, I will pause this video till complete so we can saving much time in here. Okay, the update has done. Now let's to install uh, the Figlet. I'm sorry, in here. Okay, just letting down. Just wait, guys. There is unpacking Figlet, setting up and processing. Okay, just wait, just wait. The installation has been complete. Now I also want to install the Cowsay package. Okay, okay, unpacking and wait until done like Figlet. Okay, it's done. Let's clear this terminal. Okay, now to setting up the Figlet, you can just using nano command or v command to edit the file, but I commonly using nano like this. using nano command. Let's edit the base RC like this. Okay, uh, in the line of the uh, script of bus RC, just like Figlet and Cowsay show, you can just make title like this so you don't confuse what this script mean. Okay, there is, I will type, there is Cowsay first. Cowsay dash f ace, this is will image, and the output text will like this: welcome to news enc server. This is just for example, you can suitable with you one. And for Figlet, we can make text like this, for example, sunny sides. Okay, I'm sorry, sunny side, using character of uh, the font using SMS line. And the last line we will appearing the text of email, for example, contact us at csnews.co.id. Okay, the script, just for example, you can suitable or with your own imagine. I will control X and press yes or Y character and then hit enter. Let's exit. Let's exit again, and then let's open our terminal. If there is no error, it will output. Okay, it's very beautiful. And how you can change the image or character of SMS LAN fonts or the image of this eyes. You can just go to go to the folder cd user, sorry, this user slash share, I think, yes, and find the Cowsay if there is. Okay, you can just ls in here, cd and co, and you can ls again. Okay, there is much or many option in here. You can using ace. Where is the ace? Like our in there is ace, and you can using diamond and anything else in this list. Let's go to let's change, for example, we are using diamond. Okay, you can using the diamond in here. For example, you don't want the eyes, but using diamond it's cool also. Diamond like this. You can control X, press Y character and hit enter. Exit again. Exit, and let's open our terminal. Okay, you can see there. It's very cool, guys, but if you remote the computer or your Ubuntu, it will appear black and white in beauty. And in the next tutorial, we will try to learn how to install FTP server in our Ubuntu. So don't forget to subscribe this channel to get any updates from me and from us by News CNC. Okay, thanks for watching and see you. Bye bye.